Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and just a quick video. I said in the last video that I was going to get power set up correctly and all beautifully and everything. I didn't do that at all. I just kind of hacked it together. I got the PA powered off of the power jack directly, which is the same one that powers the VFO board, and then the 12 volts from on the VFO board powers the radio, and also the 5 volts right here powers the transmit switch so that it works with a digital PTT. Anyway, it's working beautifully, and I just switched from 40 to 20 meters and finished a QSO on FT8 with JA3FQO over in Japan at, well, let's see, 5,013 miles. Now, it's not exactly extraordinary. I'm not running 5 watts, otherwise it'd be a 1,000 miles a watt, but I'm actually running 10 watts, as you can see here, 9, 10, whatever. And that's not for any specific reason. It's just what it does on 20 meters. Now, if you will recall early conversations back in 2017, 18, maybe even 2016, I guess, about the BITX40, it could not output power up at 20 meters. It could maybe get a watt out. In fact, I had actually put in a Mitsubishi RD HVF 15 or something like that. And it worked better, but this works way better. And this is all IRF 510s. So IRF 510s can put out plenty of power at the higher frequencies. So next, I've got to build the 10 meter and 15 meter filters, finish those off, and get those tuned. And then this is going to be going into an enclosure. It is pretty well done. And I say pretty well done because there is one other thing that I have decided I don't care for, and that is this waterfall. Oh, they just responded. Another Japan station at 4933 miles, not bad. This waterfall, I would like to actually take a look at, I want to use the Nano VNA and take a look at my filter in circuit, and perhaps switch it around for a different filter, or try to modify it so it get a better skirts on it. So it cuts off pretty drastically there, up at the higher. I mean, just looking at it, unless those signals are plenty strong, but I don't know. I'll fiddle around with it and see what I can come up with. But I definitely want to look at the crystal filter. I think it could be better. So that may be a future project. I think right now I'm getting into a feature creep. Anyway, well, thanks for watching this very short video, and I don't know that I'm going to be doing any more videos on this until it's done. I'll probably do some videos about using the Nano VNA on a new filter, but I've kind of already done that too, so we'll see. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from this project. Let me know what is important to you, and what you're wanting to, let me know what you're wanting to see more of on this channel as well. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.